Hi there, it's Sophia. In this video, I'll show you how to remove macOS language files and app leftovers to free up some storage. Subscribe to our channel for more tips. How to manually delete language files on a Mac. To delete language files manually on your Mac, you'll need to separately erase each language pack for every third-party application. Open the Applications folder, choose an app, and right-click on it. Select Show Package Contents from the context menu. The Contents folder will be revealed. Open it, then find and open the Resources folder. Find any subfolders that end with lproj. The two letters at the beginning of the file names indicate the language they are in. Identify those you want to keep. Select all the languages you don't need, then drag them to trash. Empty the trash. How to easily remove language files from a Mac. MacKeeper can easily automate and speed up this process. Your geographic location and preferred languages will be taken into account, so the files you actually need to use on your device will stay in place. Open MacKeeper and go to the Safe Cleanup section. Push Start Scan button and wait for results. Select Languages tab and check those you don't need. Click Clean Junk Files to get rid of the unneeded language files. That's it! Contact the MacKeeper support team if you need any more help. I'm Sophia from MacKeeper. Thanks for watching.